Hi, I'm Amber. Welcome to 112 Towne Terrace. This home has 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Built originally in 1908, it's been extensively updated while meticulously maintaining the turn-of-the-century character and charm. From the hand-carved woodwork to the grand vaulted ceilings to the cast iron clawfoot tub, there is craftsmanship, style, and sophistication at every turn. The floor plan is open and inviting and perfect for entertaining. This property has an incredibly convenient location in the heart of Santa Cruz. It's just a short walk to downtown where you can find shopping, restaurants, and a vibrant farmers market.